So this question asks, which of the following is the coefficient of x cubed in the Maclaurin series for f of x equals sine of 2x? So I always like to list out several steps for each problem. That way you can follow it every time you do any of these problems. So for this one, there's only two steps. The first step is to differentiate the function several times. And the second step is to plug those differentiated functions into the Maclaurin series. So the function that's given to us is f of x equals sine of 2x. The question is asking us to find the coefficient of x cubed in the Maclaurin series. So it's good to differentiate the function at least 3 times, maybe 4 times, just to get the x cubed term. So f of x is sine of 2x. To differentiate this, you're going to have to use the chain rule, which says that you take the derivative of the inside, and then you take the derivative of the outside, and then you multiply them together. The derivative of the inside is 2x, which is just 2, and the derivative of the outside is cosine. So it's going to be 2 times cosine of 2x. F double prime of x is going to be, once again, the derivative of the inside is 4 times the derivative of the outside. The derivative of cosine is negative sine. So it's going to be negative 4 times sine of 2x. F triple prime of x, once again, is going to be negative 8 times cosine of 2x. And then we'll do it one more time. The fourth derivative of x is going to be, the derivative of cosine is negative sine, so the negative signs are going to cancel out. Then the derivative of the inside is 2, so it's going to be 16 sine of 2x. Now step 2, we plug these differentiated functions into the Maclaurin series. The Maclaurin series is the sum, as n goes from 0 to infinity, of f to the nth derivative evaluated at 0 over n factorial times x to the n, which equals f evaluated at 0 plus f prime evaluated at 0 over 1 factorial times x plus f double prime evaluated at 0 over 2 factorial times x squared plus f triple prime evaluated at 0 over 3 factorial times x cubed plus dot dot dot. When we plug these in, f evaluated at 0 is sine of 2 times 0, which is 0, plus f prime evaluated at 0 is 2 times cosine of 0 over 1 factorial times x, plus f double prime evaluated at 0 is negative 4 times sine of 0 over 2 factorial times x squared, plus f triple prime is negative 8 times cosine of 0 over 3 factorial times x cubed plus dot dot dot, and that's all we need. So x cubed, the coefficient of it is going to be negative 8 times cosine of 0 over 3 factorial. Well, we know that 3 factorial is the same as 1 times 2 times 3, and we know that cosine of 0 is 1. So we have negative 8 over 1 times 2 times 3. The 2's can cancel out, so we're left with negative 4 over 3. And that is the coefficient of the x cubed term in the Maclaurin series, f of x equals sine of 2x.